Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to create a payment link on Square. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC and search for squareup.com. After that, open the official website and sign into your account. Once signed in, you will be sent to your account's dashboard. Here, click on the hamburger menu at top left corner and a menu will slide onto your screen. From inside of it, select Payment Links. But if you can't find it, simply click on the Edit Embed, scroll down a little bit, and then enable the Payment Links shortcut. Once enabled, click on the Save button. You will be able to see the shortcut. In case this feature is also not available, you can try hovering the cursor on Payments and then select Payment Links. On this web page, there will be a bunch of features available. Simply select Take a Payment from this list and click on Continue. After that, enter its title, amount, and also the frequency, whether you want to repeat it or just make it a one-time payment link. Once done, click on the Save button at top right corner and the payment link is now created. So that's basically how you can create a payment link on Square. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.